questions and honorable judges. We now permit a resolution states that stand your ground allows a legitimate expansion for the doctrine of self-defense. Definition: when according to jargon debate, stand your ground is a law which places no obligation on potential victim for crime and butchery and calls police. The potential victim is allowed to respond to force with force even if flight is a possibility. According to Princeton, legitimate expansion is a legal act of increasing scope of the application of this doctrine. According to the Louisiana Criminal Code of Self-Defense, the right that allows a person to use reasonable force in his or her own defense. My partner and I support the law because one stand your ground decreases crime rate. So point A, more guns lead to less crime. According to University of Chicago Press, May 24, 2010. Despite all the attempts by gun control advocates, no one has ever been able to refute law's example. Startling conclusion and more guns means less crime. This shows that even though there are people thinking the standard ground, no one has been able to take down the simple conclusion that more guns lead to less crime. More guns leads to less crime. According to John Lyon's book, More Guns, Less Crime, 2010, change in average crime rate, adoption of the Castle Doctrine, murder minus 9% rate to 18%, robbery 6.7, minus 6.7, aggravated assaults negative 14.1%, property crime negative minus 6%, burglary minus 3.5%, and large thief minus 8.8%. This shows that by enacting the Castle Doctrine, the different aspects of crime rate has decreased immensely. Some point B, less crime leads to perfect society. According to John Lyon in the book of More Guns leads to less crime, 2010. By removing this requirement, victims did not misjudge how far they would retreat. As a result, committing crime in both homes becomes more risky in the criminal. Castle laws take away worries for law-abiding citizens about to break the law by not retreating as far as possible, a delay that might be potentially harmful. This shows that the Castle Doctrine assures citizens which creates a peaceful community. To stand your ground protects the interests and support it is pro-woman. According to the crimefilenews.com, April 30th, 2011, the fact is concealed carry has given the elderly woman a solid and meaningful survival option. Over the past 50 years, state and local governments demanded the beach has to submit to rape, robbery, and murder. This shows that the significance of Castle Doctrine protects and reassures women, thus making them feeling more comfortable. So point B, pro-seniors. According to Arizona concealed carry weapons January 11, 2010. It is said commentary, but in many cases the elderly are targeted by criminals since they are generally one of the more weak and potentially helpless members of the community. So there has been a better understanding that the laws in government to use deadly weapons and it can be justified be used. We can see a lot of that.
3 minutes.